And that was for the cover. Ladies and gentlemen, we're doing Peeps. Obviously, this one is Marshmallow Trees, and this one is Marshmallow Snowman, or Snowmen. As you can tell, they're rather colorful. They're green, basically, with two strings of bulbs. And yeah, a little close-up there. They have stars on the top. And then we have what appears to be a cane with maybe 1 or 2 buttons, a tie, somewhat an appearance of lines indicating a hat, top hat rather, and eyes, nose, and a mouth. And then we have Peeps. These are Christmas Peeps, obviously. And let's open up the snowmen real quick. Oops. Naturally, I forgot to do the nutrition facts, and we'll go with those. It says, nutrition facts, 110 calories each, or I'm sorry, 3 snowmen equals 1 serving. 110 calories, calories from fat 0. Total fat 0 grams, saturated fat 0 grams, trans fat 0 grams. Sodium 10 milligrams, total carbohydrates 28 grams, sugars 26 grams, protein 1 gram. And it looks like it's for both of them. And I'll jump in with the added feature of reindeer marshmallow Peeps. And it looks like they have the same situation. So, oh no, this one is a little higher. 120 calories, total fat 0 grams, saturated fat 0 grams, trans fat 0 grams, sodium is 15 milligrams, total carbohydrates are 29 grams, sugars are 27 grams, and protein 1 gram. So it's 1 gram less on sugars for the reindeer Peeps, and it is 5 milligrams greater in sodium for the reindeer Peeps. So let's open up the snowman Peeps real quick. It's perhaps the flavoring. Oh yes, that's why. These are standard, and then this one is chocolate mousse flavored reindeer Peeps. Let's get down to business. If I ever get down to business. There we go. A bad opening, but we got our snowman Peep. Now they're set up in 3s, just as the serving size indicates. So you had 3 servings per container. So here we have the marshmallow Peep. It's obviously the snowman, and that's what it looks like, and I just about lost it. Marshmallow goodness. Not only does it have the standard marshmallow taste, but there is a crusting of sugar on the outside. I usually say I don't like Peeps, and then once you start into them, you can't stop. Oh well. I've often wondered with the sugar coating, frosting, what have you. If you were to put this on a little stick and roasted it, what would it taste like? We'll move on to the trees here. Now, obviously, there's no indication or no statement of it being different. Just in coloration and design. That's it. So effectively, we'll have technically 1 serving of Peeps today. There's a close-up of it. Really bad design there on this one. But let's go. There's the interior. A little bit sticky. Okay. And so what I think about those first two, being that they were the same, just different designs, different colorations. I'll give them a thumbs up. Very flavorful, obviously marshmallows. It's hard to stop. Ooh. Chocolate mousse. You can smell them right off the bat. It's a coca scent. Wow. They are different. Let me pull one off here. These are not white on the interior, as you can see from the tearaway. There is definitely a chocolate mousse flavoring all the way through. So that's what it looks like. And let's give this a bite because it smells real good. It even looks like chocolate mousse. And the taste, it really tastes like chocolate mousse. That is truly amazing. Okay. Chocolate mousse Peeps. I'm going to give them a thumbs up as well. That was quite amazing. I would have given it 2 thumbs up, but I'm trying to be a little more reserved on that. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.